morning! Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today, I just like to share with you what I'm having for this is already lunchtime, it's almost noon. So this is really, but it's kind of breakfast, lunch, so I guess brunch at noon. Busy ako ngayon, kanina. I was doing some real estate transaction all morning at saka nag-run ng mga errands, kaya hindi nga ako nakapagkape this morning. That's really something. So even though I didn't have it this morning, I still had to have my cup of coffee. So I have my cup of coffee here, and I have the salted egg with tomato, itlog na maalat na merong kamatis, at merong dito yung scrambled egg with kamatis. And ito yung this is my substitute for rice. It's called quinoa. And itong quinoa, flour. The largest producer of quinoa is Nepal. Actually, this quinoa that I have really came from Nepal because my brother-in-law was in Nepal, and laman sa kanyang suitcase ay quinoa pagbalik niya sa US. So my sister shared with me, so I had a little bit. I have some of that, and that's it. That's the quinoa that was from Nepal. And lastly but not the least, binagoongang pork belly. Kain tayo! Ay, pray muna. Our most gracious Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for this food and many, many, many blessings. In Jesus' name, Amen. Kain tayo! Nagutom na ako kasi wala talaga akong kinain all morning. I didn't eat anything, not even coffee. I just drink my water this morning, that's it. It's a gorgeous day today. Pero malamig pa rin. It's I think it's 19 degrees dito sa Wyoming. May ask Google. Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
The current temperature in Rollins is 30 degrees.
Oh, it's
Due to
30.
wind conditions, it feels like it's 19.
Oh, that's why it says 19 on my car, because of the wind. But the temperature is 30 degrees, so that's not really bad. And the sun is shining, so it's really gorgeous. Mamayang gabi, mag-live streaming tayo mamayang gabi. Sarap nito. Okay pa rin yung quinoa, maski hindi rice. Very healthy kasi ito, yung high in protein at saka fiber. Kung bilhin mo ito sa Walmart dito sa Rollins, almost $7 per pound, so $14 a kilo. Magkano ba yan? Teka muna, let me check how much is that in pesos. So ma-convert ko sa inyo yung niya. Ewan ko kung meron to sa Pilipinas. Baka meron. 14 times, ano na ba ang rate ngayon? 48. 672 ang kilo nito, mga sis. So, but it's very healthy for you. Lalo na sa may mga diabetic. Kasi, mahirap talaga pag walang kanin kung yung mga pagkain natin. Kailangan may kanin. Kaya, pwede rin, I don't know, mas mura siguro kung ang gawin ninyong rice yung cauliflower. Ewan ko kung magkano per pound sa cauliflower, but ito is 672 pesos per kilo. Pagpunta ka sa Winco, yung grocery store na I think it's employee owned, na by bulk din ang pagbili mo doon sa Winco. Merong mabili mo doon na $3 something a pound. So, mura-mura konti. Pero yung mga organic, mahal talaga. Organic na ano. I guess they grow this in Colorado, huh? The quinoa? Some parts of Colorado. Kailangan kasi nitong flower na to, yung hili ba? Nasa bakilid, sa Bisaya pa. Naano siya sa bakilid mo grow. Dili siya mutubo sa flats. You don't see this in the flat. It's on ang taas ng bukid. Si Nepal is kinda big, have big mountains and it's hilly, so that's why this flower grows there. I don't know, it's part of the Philippines. It's kinda hilly. Maybe bukid noon, bukid. Because it really can't grow in a humid place, Hanha. It has to be a dry place.
Yeah, it's not cool.
Dry and cool. Sa Baguio siguro. Kaya mahal ito kasi biro mo yung mga bulaklak niya. So how many millions of bulaklak to make a sack of quinoa. At saka very light siya. Honey, would you please bring me that grain over there so I could show it in the camera how this quinoa look like before you cook it? Alright. You know, right there on that camera, where you found it, yeah. You forgot already, huh? Kaunti na lang naiwan ko, pero I'm on my way to Texas and I'll show you. This is the before you cook it. No, you can't see? Oh, how you could show like that? Oh, now. Okay. Yan ang grain niya ng quinoa. Before yan sa lulutuin. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, maybe when I go to Philippines, next trip to Philippines, I'll bring some because they're not really very heavy. And I'll let you taste. Manang Lorna, if you're watching this, I'll give you some if you're still in the Philippines when I come. Who knows when I'll be coming. No. I really don't know. I was excited. I thought I could go this February, but Philippines is back on GCQ again, and they are quarantining people now when you get to Manila. So before you could only have to wait for your swab test result, and then you could go onto your province and quarantine in the province. But now they quarantine you in Manila now. So I don't, if I only go there for a month, I'll get quarantined in Manila for 2 weeks and then quarantine in the province for 2 weeks. Then that's my vacation. So, and then. Not a good idea to go to Philippines. The purpose for going to Philippines is to travel and enjoy the beautiful places around the area there. So if you can't travel, then why even bother? So what we're going to do, we're going to travel around in the U.S. instead, on the warmer area of the United States. So we'll be going to Galveston, Texas. We're going to rent a beach house over there and spend a couple days. And then I'm going to visit my friend in Alabama along the Gulf Shore. I'm excited about that. White sand beach, really beautiful, gorgeous place. So I'll take you there. We'll be vlogging when we go travel, but that would be in February. So we'll be there. We'll be traveling in February. Be watching for our video then. Alam mo, pag ganito ang breakfast mo, pag pinumpisahan mo itong magkain ka, I know a lot of you don't even eat breakfast. They just have coffee and don't eat breakfast. But you know what? You got it the other way around. You should have a heavy breakfast because you see, the last time you eat is probably like 6 o'clock in the evening. And your breakfast is, let's just say 6, 7. That's 12, 13 hours that you haven't eaten. So, it's really a good idea to eat protein in the morning so then you don't get hungry all day. Try that. Eat your heavy protein in the morning. Talagang ano ko na yan, kasi kami talaga nagbe-breakfast talaga kami except today kasi na busy si manang Wilma ninyo. Protein, cheap protein is egg. Pag nakain mo yung itlog, hindi ka na gugutumin all day. Kaya sa atin, Pilipinas, ginugutom na, mga 11 o'clock pa lang, gutom na. Kasi hindi nag-agahan. Kain lang ng pandesal, tapos yan na. Kaya gugutumin talaga kasi carbohydrates pa kinakain. But if you eat protein, try piece of ham. Well, as I said, ang cheap na protein is egg. Have a couple eggs in the morning. And hindi ka gugutumin. Try nyo yan. And comment below kung napapatunayan ko na hindi kayo nagugutom pag kumakain kayo ng protein for breakfast. Huwag kain ng kanin, itlog lang. Or ham or something meat. Yan lang kainin nyo for breakfast. Tapos, tingnan nyo all day, hindi kayo gutumin. You really don't get hungry. And then, sa gabi, sa hapunan, light na lang ang ano mo, kainin mo. Huwag mong masyadong carbohydrate kasi matutulog ka na. I really need to be careful sa diet kasi ako, diabetic, kaya kailangan mag-careful. Okay. I'm trying my best starting this year. Palagi na lang mag-umpisa this year. But kasi tumatanda na tayo, we have to really be careful. Kung gusto natin makikita yung mga apo natin na mag-graduate ng high school, yun, kailangan mag-careful tayo. And then also, the main thing really is work out. At least do some physical activity. And I am very bad at that. So I am going to work hard on that too, that I need to be active also. That's the main thing. To stay healthy, you have to be active. Kaya yung asawa ko very healthy kasi he is always doing something. Very physical yung mga trabaho niya. Tingnan mo. 64 na siya pero nagtatrabaho pa nagre-renovate ng bahay siya nung mag-isa. Yan ang secret niya sa healthy. Palaging healthy yung niya kasi hindi kagaya yung iba nakaupo na lang pang anong edad pa everything. Kunin mo to, kunin mo yan. Ganyan ako. Palagi lang ako utos, get me this, get me that. Instead of me getting it myself para maka-exercise. Sarap itong maalat. Paris talaga itong itlog na maalat at saka kamatis. Yan talaga partner. I remember may auntie ako na Tagalog. Pumupunta kami doon every summer sa bahay nila. Hindi mawala ng itlog maalat. Every morning talaga yan may itlog maalat sila. So, kaunti lang nakakain ko dito sa binatoong pork. I think one is enough. Sarap talaga. Puro yung itlog. Ayan, ubos talaga. Empty. Ubos yung ano ko. Itlog maalat. Yung quinoa nga, sa 1 cup na quinoa, kakainin ko na yan. I think I will have that for like a week. Lagay ko lang yun sa Tupperware kasi ang luto ko 1 cup yan pag magluluto ako ng quinoa, 1 cup. Tapos, lalagay ko na sa container tapos ilagay sa refrigerator. Yun na ang kanin ko all week. And that really helped me a lot. No more rice, just quinoa. Mas gusto ko ang quinoa kaysa yung cauliflower. Kung minsan nakaka din yung cauliflower, gawin mong rice. But yung cauliflower, marami din yung nutrition. Ang breakfast niya, we split that omelette, tomato omelette. Hinati namin yun ang kinain niya. Sa akin, nadagdagan ng quinoa at saka itlog na maalat. One of these days, magawa nga ako ng itlog na maalat. You could make itlog maalat at home. So, I'll try to do that. Pero kasi, ang itlog namin, ewan ko kung makabili ka ba ng fresh duck eggs. Han, can you buy fresh duck eggs in Rollins?
I don't think so.
Okay. Kaya ang magawa lang nating itlog maalat yung nagutom talaga ako. Tingnan mo, yung plate ko, ubos talaga. I was really hungry, Han. Look at my plate. Oh, very good. Talagang ubos. Ito ang totoong mukbang. Wala talagang natira. Maski isang grain ng... Okay guys, ubos na ang bagoang binagoongang pork lang. Isa lang ang nakain ko kasi masyado yung taba sa pork belly. Pero yung ko ubos lahat. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to comment below, push the like button, and if you like my video, subscribe and push the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Bye!